Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm here to show you how I go from curly to straight hair. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how I flat iron my hair and how I try to protect my hair as much as I possibly can. If you are interested in seeing how I go from curly to straight, then just keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please subscribe before you leave if you enjoy videos like this, and let's get on with the video. I do want to say that I do not condone straightening your hair all the time. If you have curly hair and you really want your curls to stay beautiful and healthy and happy, but if there are times that you want to change up your hair and you're not doing it on a consistent basis and you're really taking care of your hair from day to day like you really should, then I don't think it's terrible to flat iron your hair or to straighten your hair every once in a blue moon. It's been so long since I've straightened my hair, and typically the only times that I do is if I have a commercial shoot or a modeling gig or something like that that requires me to have my hair straight. Most of the time, unfortunately, the jobs that I land do require me to blow my hair out and have it flat for most of those type of jobs. So I have a commercial shoot coming up this week and they requested that my hair be straight for the shoot. So that is why my hair is flat ironed today. I have gotten asked quite a bit when I do straighten my hair exactly how I get it straight. So this is my process to a T. This is the flat iron that I use, Nano Titanium by Babyliss. I think that's how you pronounce it. I always forget. This is the Babyliss or Babyliss Pro straightening iron. This has been my all-time favorite flat iron for years now. I just love it. It heats up to 450 degrees and it just does the trick. I only have to go over each piece of hair one time to get it nice and flat. Let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial part of this video.
Starting on cleansed hair, I'm going in with my Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. I love this because it helps to strengthen the hair. It adds tons of shine. It also helps me to detangle my hair, but it also has UV heat protection in it. So when I go in with my blow dryer, my hair will be protected. So I'm using my Onyx blow dryer from Irresistible Me, and I just like to use my fingers when I first start to blow dry my hair, and that's because I feel like it is much more gentler on wet hair. So I just finger detangle and go through and basically finger dry my hair until it's about 95% dry, and then I'll go in with my wet brush just to get right at the roots and make sure that my roots are completely dry. You never ever want to put a flat iron to wet hair, so I really focus on my roots to make sure that it is 100% dry before starting the flat ironing process. So here's my hair completely dry in all of its glory. I think we should just go out like this. What do you think? Once you have completed the drying process and you are ready to flat iron, you want to go ahead and section off your hair. I like to put mine into 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and focus on one section at a time. This is the easiest way and the quickest way for me to get through the flat ironing process. I just find this to be much more efficient and effective. So starting on this one side, I'm going in with this product. This is the Ion straightening solution. I get this from Sally's. This is a heat protectant specifically for flat ironing your hair. It adds so much shine and it makes your hair super smooth with one pass of the flat iron. So I cannot go without this if I'm flat ironing my hair. I am starting on the section that you can't really see that well, but you will see my process on the opposite side. I basically take about a 1-inch section and I will spray that product on that section, comb it through, and then take my flat ironing down that section. I use the comb to make sure that there's no tangles in it as I flat iron. And the smoke that you see, or the steam that you see coming from my hair, it's not my hair frying off, I promise you. It is just the product that's giving off the steam when I hit that section with the flat iron. So as you can see, I just go through section by section, take 1-inch sections at a time, spray, comb through, and then flat iron. And I just repeat that process throughout my hair. section by section. So I like to do the back first because that's the hardest to reach, and then I'll do the front. And then once you're done with the front, you are good to go. It's really that simple, and I can get through this straightening process in about 15 minutes.
So here we have the final results with just the flat iron. It's so weird having my hair straight because I never straighten it anymore. What I do like to do once I've straightened my hair is to hit it with a curling iron just to give it a little bit of bend, and it helps to give it some more body. And this is not going to really add any curls. This is really just going to add some volume and some body to it. I believe this is a 2-inch. This is like the biggest curling iron ever. It's like as big as my head, but this is a 2-inch, I believe, Hot Tools curling iron. I'm going to start at the top of my head because I do like a little bit of volume up here. So I'm just going to grab a piece right here in the front and gonna hit it with the curling iron right here. And then I'm gonna catch it, clip it in place with, I'm just using these little clips right here. I'm gonna do another one right behind that one. Just taking another clip, split my hair in half, and I'm just going to start curling pieces towards the back. I like to do this because with me having a curly cut, when my hair is straight, it looks uneven in the back. And that's because my hair is cut when it's dry and my curls are individually cut. I feel like when I hit it with a curling iron, it just helps to blend the pieces together so that it's not as obvious. And then just to get a little extra texture, because now that my hair is straight, it's like super, super soft, I just use a little bit of dry shampoo, or you can use some texturizing spray. Flip my head over, shake it out. And I tend to like it messier because it does make it fuller, so I just kind of get in there with my hands and go to town because I feel like it makes it look better and more like effortless. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.